Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you 5 best portable dishwasher. Danco Dishwasher Snap Coupling Adapter. Danco is one of the largest plumbing repair, replacement, and remodel suppliers in the home improvement industry, focused largely on empowering do-it-yourself consumers with plumbing solutions that are as practical as they are affordable. The Danco Snap Coupling Adapter has a 3/4 inch male hose thread with a built-in snap nipple with 27 female threads. This adapter will connect your portable dishwasher to the sink faucet. It has full water flow capacity that you will need for a dishwasher. Buy yours today. Danco Dishwasher Faucet Adapter. Dishwasher adapter will connect your portable dishwasher to the sink faucet. It has full water flow capacity that you will need for a dishwasher. Dual threads will accommodate 15/16 in male hose thread, outside threads, or 55/64 - 27 female threads, inside threads. Easy to install. The Danco dishwasher adapter offers a snap connection to make installation easier. SPTSD 2225 DW Compact Countertop Dishwasher. Water supply warning indicator and rinse aid warning indicator. Electronic controls with LED display. LED displays remaining time or current running state. 6 wash cycles: heavy, normal, eco, glass, speed and rinse. Delay start for added convenience. 2, 4, 6 or 8 hours. Universal faucet adapter and quick connect. For quick and easy connection to most kitchen faucets. Genuine OEM faucet adapter for GE portable dishwashers. High-quality GE Appliances OEM WD1X1447 dishwasher faucet adapter is manufactured with premium materials for durability and exact fit. Be sure to follow instructions in owner's manual when installing this part. Replacement GE Appliances dishwasher faucet adapter connects a portable dishwasher water supply hose to a sink faucet. The GE Appliances WD1X1447 faucet adapter is a genuine OEM, original equipment manufacturer, part designed and engineered to exact specifications. White Countertop Portable Dishwasher. Energy Star Qualified. 6/6. Standard place setting capacity. 6/6. Standard wash cycles: heavy, normal, baby care, eco, glass, speed. Stainless steel interior and spray arm for extended durability. Water consumption: normal wash, 2.8 gallons. Dish rack and silverware basket. Drain and inlet hose included. 1 to 24-hour timer function. Quick connect adapter for most kitchen faucets included for quick and simple connection. Follow video description if you want to know the price. Thanks for watch. Subscribe my channel for more videos.